Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to provide you a fix where your Windows security is not opening in Windows 10 or in Windows 11. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. So let's go ahead and proceed. First of all, open up your settings menu. In settings, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending to download or install, make sure you update and download the Windows so that your Windows is totally up to date. Once it is done, nextly is make sure to disable any third party antivirus such as Norton, AVG or Avast. Make sure you disable or uninstall them and try to open Windows security again. Now if Windows security is still not opening, let's proceed with the second step. Again, head over to the settings menu and click on the option apps. Choose the option apps and features, and here in search bar, simply type security. Click on this three dot icon and choose the option advanced. Here one by one, choose the option first repair and then reset to repair and reset your Windows security, and then again open Windows security. Now Windows security is still not opening. Let's proceed with the third step. Click on the start menu, type PowerShell. Choose the option run as administrator. Now in this method, we are going to reinstall your Windows security. In Windows PowerShell, you need to type two commands one by one. I'll share both the commands in the description of this video. Simply paste the first command and then hit the enter key. Now type the A key and then hit the enter key again. Now the second command is this one. Simply paste and then hit the enter key. This key will reinstall your Windows security, and once this process is completed, go ahead, restart your system and try to open your Windows security again. Now whenever you get the option system32, that means the command is completed. Go ahead, restart your system and then try to open Windows security again. If this command also fails, let's proceed with the fourth step. Again, open PowerShell and choose the option run as administrator. Paste another command by copy this command from the description. This command will completely reset all the default applications present in your system. Once pasted, hit the enter key again and wait for the command to complete it. Once the command is completed, close the PowerShell, restart your system, and this time your Windows security will start to open in your Windows 10 and in Windows 11. However, if the problem still persists, let's proceed with the fourth step. Click on the start menu and type CMD. Run CMD as an administrator. Type a simple command which is sfc /scan now and then hit the enter key. Once this command is completed, you need to run another command which is dism /online /cleanup image /restore health and then hit the enter key again. Make sure you perform both these commands one by one. You do not need to perform both commands simultaneously like I did over here. I did only to save your time. But make sure at your end you perform each step one by one, and then don't forget to restart your system and then try to open your Windows security. Now if all this method fails, the only hope we have is to open up your settings menu, scroll down and choose the option recovery. Click on the option reset PC. Choose the option keep my files over here. Choose the option local reinstall over here. Like here it is saying that it will reinstall Windows from this device. It will go ahead and reinstall Windows without deleting any data of yours. However, the apps that you have installed in your system will be completely removed. Once you hit the next button, it will start to proceed. So proceed with this step to fix Windows security not opening in Windows 10 or in Windows 11. This is all about it, friends. This is how you can fix the error where Windows security is not opening. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon to keep receiving updates from my channel and keep watching Lotus Geek.